Once you have the set points for the pressure testing defined, which are the methods used to do that in the field? There are two main methods, or there are two methods to do that. One of them is the hydrostatic test. It is most common used in the industry because you fill the system with water, and once you push a little pressure in the water, you are able to reach higher pressure inside the system and reach the desired pressure that you need to have the test completed. There are another way to do the pressure testing also, and in this way you have the pneumatic test. Pneumatic test uses non-hazard gases, use air, more often use air or inert gases to pressurize the system and with that reach the desired pressure.